Welcome to the possibilities of social media in 2024. Say goodbye to expensive ads and hello to free marketing. Social media is your new cost-free billboard to success. Discover its power today. Life's tough, but gratitude is your game changer. Embrace the ordinary, find joy in the small things, and unlock the magic of gratitude. It's a gift that keeps giving. Facing failure, that's your cue to success. Every setback is a step closer to your dreams. Embrace failure and watch it turn into your success story. Stop the blame game. Start acting. You are the architect of your destiny. Transform your life with action, not excuses. Life's a game, play to win. Embrace every moment, every failure. They're your stepping stones to success. Let gratitude guide you. Cherish the good, learn from the bad. Keep moving, keep growing. This is your journey. Make it count.